Hi folks, and welcome once again to Family Friendly Bushcraft, the place where I come to make memories for my kids, save them up to YouTube, and if anybody else gets some enjoyment out of them as well, then that's absolutely brilliant. Just getting attacked by the triffids here. Bit of wisteria, mile a minute vine. Now I'd love it during this video if you could smash like, smash subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, because the more we do, the more we can bring to people, and hopefully the more enjoyment people will get out of this. I enjoy being outside, the kids enjoy being outside, so why not make memories for us all? Enjoy, and we'll see you on the other side.
Now just look at the end of that log there and how wet it is. Now this log has been out overnight. It's a significant amount of rainfall in the night. A mate of mine had DM'd me when I told him about I was making the firelighting video that aired just recently. He asked me what we'd do if the weather was too wet and we couldn't keep our tinder dry, all of this kind of business. So what I thought I'd do is this demonstration with a little bit of birch bark. Now birch bark, as I'm sure a lot of you know, contains a lot of resin, and it's just a matter of transferring that energy from the spark to the bark and getting the fire going. You see the thin wispy bits of bark there. Although they're damp, that resin's still accessible. We can see underneath how wet the surface of the log is. It has been out overnight and there was a significant amount of rainfall. I'm just starting to fluff up the bark to make those layers, make those areas for the spark to catch, and then for the energy to transfer and the burn to start, for the fire to start being made. A real close-up of the same thing. You can see how fine, how wispy those fibres are. All this, as you can see, the colour's changing from silver to the beigey colour. All this is chock full of resin. I'm just begging to take a spark and get us a nice good fire going. Just about ready, just about got enough together now to start throwing some sparks into the tinder and to make the magic happen. There we go. There's the basis of any fire. You see, this is the stuff that's been out overnight. It's absolutely soaking wet through. You can see the blackness of the smoke coming off it. That's all the resin burning away. There's a very close up of the same thing. You see how it gets going. Look at that. This is just a demonstration on the bench so we can see how long just a small amount of birch bark will last. So how easily we could get some tinder going. It's to give you a chance to like, subscribe, to add a comment below, to ask any questions you may have, any suggestions for content. Enjoy.